How to open saving account with Ally Bank. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can open savings account with Ally Bank. So let's dive right into it. First, search for savings account with Ally Bank on your web browser. Then you'll find this. Open a high yield savings account online by Ally Bank. Open that up. So after you're here, you will then see the savings account. You can tap on open new account after the page loads. So here you can find the features for the saving accounts and everything. So you can find the rates, the fees, and all the other details that you need. You can also see the comparison between different other saving account providers. And this should begin. There we go. Now, you will need to create your account before you do so. So you can just go along with this. And here you can see what you need to be able to apply. That you'll need to be a US residential. You'll also need the street number. You'll need to have your social security or tax identification number, legal name, date of birth, and so on. So follow along with this prompt. You'll see the create accounts, your information, submit application, deposit money, and then enroll, the 5 steps here. Just follow along and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.